Come look. Come look. Thomas,
Thomas, do you want to see your new birthday present?
you want to see a toy?
I'm not going to be your lunch.
Thomas, come see your birthday present. Come here. No, leave it there. Leave it there. Come here, Thomas. Do you want to see your birthday present?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what it is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Wow.
Whoa, what is it? It's a tricycle. Wow, do you want to ride it? Yeah, we have to tighten the seat. I didn't have... Do you love your new birthday present, Thomas? Go. Whoa.
Let's go.
Go, go, go. Whoa. Is that fun? Can you say thank you?
No.
Say thank you.
Oh.
Thomas,
No,
say
don't do
thank you. Hold on. Yeah, I moved them so that they wouldn't. Thomas, say thank you.
Kiss you.
Yeah.